Includes premium digital wax warmer plus removable silicone bowl plus 4 bags of hard wax beads plus pre-wax oil plus post-wax oil plus 10 large applicator sticks plus 10 mini brow sticks plus how to guide. 3 waxes for 3 areas. Bikini Babe targets thick, stubborn hair. Bare-faced targets fine, facial hair. Best Loved is made for all over use. No more burns. Our digital wax warmer features a precise temperature display for safety and control. Easy to clean. Our non-stick, silicone bowl makes cleaning a breeze. Let the wax harden in the bowl after use, then peel it out in one solid piece for reuse. Up to 6 weeks of smooth, salon-quality results for a fraction of the price. Wax on your schedule, right from the comfort of home. Save time money. Salons charge up to $40 for a single bikini wax. This kit comes with enough wax beads for over 30 bikini waxes, so you can save money and skip long visits to the salon. Top reviews from the United States. Pleasantly surprised. Just buy it. I was nervous buying a wax set online, but I saw the good reviews and decided for what comes in the set it was worth a try. I have been getting my face and Brazilian wax done at a wax salon for about a year, but it was a pain in the butt to take the time to go in for an appointment, and it was expensive.